Mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio ya me obusia dio ko wa mani amba wa una mani bongo mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio obusia dio ko wa mani amba wa una mani bongo mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio ya wa fo wa te sa bo a chere be mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio wa fa wo ra fa wo de pa wo mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio ya ne fa so ya dia to no so mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio ya me dio ya dia ya mo yo mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio ka tam ko amena mo e be be fre da dio mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio.
Kane tete emere tentene twam no dwuma hodo anananom die won kasa ne woka ede tudwa ene wonne ye nyina no ne wogina amamere kwaso ne woye nanso bra ade achi ade esa no na emere dane ana na edane emene masesa se tete ede tete kwa asem ko na abasosem ebesi tete anemu a yebeto amamere ene amane atwene anase yede tete amane bebata na masem ho sekire krom yetete ekura buru a ehofo entoto amamera ase nanka ani die ni asomdwie eho newo nanso enieme ya achia ewo sekire krom mframabone efa sekire krom titi gina na ase tete egu
obrumakuma da bajane osre chini abwa obrumakuma da bajane osre chini abwa
Yadamo ase somebody nyameche emunaba Nana mpanimfo says Asem no yende nyameche emu na yende
Obi do ba nyameche yakunu kwa emfa so biara ni so nana yen saman sapon
Obrafo bring us sapon
Mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio ya me obusia dio ko wa mani amba wa una mani bongo mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio obusia dio ko wa mani amba wa una mani bongo mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio ya wa fo wa te sa bo a chere be mon fanto sona dia woni mo wado eno kura beda dio wa fa wo ra fa wo de pa wo
Sapon. Yes, ube kumunipa. I was asking. Abra waba wan fa hwiama. Efata. Se wo hwie mojagu.
Na na nyam na mkum nyame che. Sapon, mentwetwa nkontompo bia wa ha. Yeni o na obi anim se woni nyame che etweman so wo asase bi edansuo no nche wo no. Hwe, so obeka no kra ka no kra. Me na hu mbobo. Me kan bibia nyam na mekum nyame che. Hey. Enyo han na okum nyame che. Etu betia kana na magrada abosom. Se ne wo kase nkontompo a agrada mpenso papam newu. Take him to the cage.
Ochame, bring me the comfort.
My comfort saying, sit here, then to therefore say, once more, near Passa Pomna, see. Boko, therefore, bro, Nana. Boko, Maka, Nana, Milami Kumi Amache, and then I said I'm going to call for him, and I'm Kokuno. Milami Kuno.
And I say, I be the first one move down saying. And I sorry, or therefore sorry.
The court has spoken. And my final judgment is that Sapon shall be put to death at the going down of the sun today. To shed innocent blood is a taboo. And the punishment is death.
amara de no wan kwa afuom ne se mede afuom ko ma boko ne ntifie simba ba uno ma me kwa afuom
Have mercy, please. Please. Kwamusu, spying at young girls, taking a bath is wrong. You must be taken to the court. Let's go. Ajadu, the left hand washes the right. Take me to the court and I'll be fine. But if you fall in my trap, I'll also not spare you. I know you have also been spying at the young girls taking their bath. I saw you 2 days ago hiding in the bushes, licking your lips. So you see, we are all the same. Let's be friends. Once you don't report me, I'll also keep our secret. Let's go for one last look. Nana. Mommy and me home prenu and Sani Abuya. Mamma yan Christian same ye and Sani Abuya.
Menu and Yaya Nana. Oh, as I said, if you shall near Memu Yansa, near Buate, ya hear the Krubi, your Buatania is son or any year crowd. Oh, Kakrabia near Chanquaresu, Kakrabia near Chanquaresu. Ye just your coro, na papa woman, ye cho monsieur. So we go for we will more. No crepa. Na ya semwa who are din say you go and come for. No crepa. Na na wadaroma media kunku ni pa ebo na ndie. Mani nye ho.
Therefore, Mr. Emeka say nyado. Mini ko nyina ene ko fo nyadwen. Ko bie no ma enya mbra ene de chiri kru no. Ena bosom so ene de chiri kru no. Na ma bosom ahemra to no ma ye ne be sa no. Ne so bi kwamram no ko fa nipa ho no ma na so ko fa oba ho a. Therefore na nya musio. Na nya mu na to. Therefore mrano shemudi memunye tawe
meji sane awoka no ye nanom tetefo na mreso ana mo hihye samra yi womni ho biu sisi a ye ne wo so nti ye mreso yi ese enso ye hihye mra
ko nyina emra be nanye ayeye afrim na pa chese ye nananom no na omnim nyansa omnim nyansa nsa na mo hihye samra no mibisao therefore misao emra de hye ne din
nana wadaroma di onyina kira ne se ese bibia ahwehwem yes pa ansana ya pe baby diplomacy
kufuo o kasa tugu wiem keke o kasa tugu wiem aso ka nyansa be ne wom wa nwene ho
sebe unim se ha no ehia na ehia se nuanom ena ya dwendwene ho eni se bibia o ma obufu na kasa sa wati yenya ya nuanom o
ye ne ehia unuane hwan wan ne ye onua
me nuane obia
unuane hwan unua yida ko hwe no.
My elders, I don't see any part of the law that needs to be changed. I believe we rather need to make stiffer punishment for those who break the law.
Therefore, Emrandie, Shenedin, Intio Biasem, Shenedin.
Elders, we are the custodians of the law. We should be circumspect in whatever decision we take today. Let's listen to Nana's final decision.
In 4, our laws will remain the same. Nana Hima is here, and she will tell us all about the initiation ceremony for next week. Open Kufo, you are a very proud father, and Poma, your daughter, has not put you to shame. Laws are made to keep people in check.
Papa, why do you still insist that one has to go through puberty initiation before she's allowed to marry?
Afrakuma, it's not me. Our ancestors in their wisdom give it to us so that the young ones will not go astray.
Papa, I know the laws were made to protect us, but I believe some of them are now of no use.
Be careful, Afrakuma. The law does not respect anybody.
Papa, if I take a man before I'm initiated, what will happen?
If the fly refuses to leave the corpse, it is buried with it. Look, I don't want you to be a victim of the law. You must be law-abiding. My sword is double-edged.
I'm going to be chief one day. You. My uncle has made me the next of kin to his throne. I have to put up a very good behavior. No.
Edu, then you can't be my friend.
Why?
As for me, I can't be friends with somebody who is controlled.
Oh, come on, go. Don't say that. After all, I did not ask him to choose me. He did. And you know what? I have learned from my mother that once I become contingent, I can easily marry Afrakuma.
You at all? Are you correct? I thought you would say something better.
Listen, Ko. I will get Afrakuma first. Then any other girl I want.
And if I remain your friend, will I get some of the girls?
Let me think about that. Afrakuma is coming. This is my last chance.
You coward, what can you do? If you don't tell her your peace of mind today, never discuss the issue with me again.
Afrakuma, didn't you notice us?
I noticed you, so what?
Oh, at least you should have greeted us.
Why should I greet you? I don't greet good for nothing people.
Whom are you referring to as good for nothing?
You, of course. Whom do you think I was referring to?
Afrakuma, I think you've gone to extreme. You know I love you and I want...
Useless man. This girl slaps you when it takes you to the ground.
Afrakuma,
hey! Are you going to touch the princess of Sechokrom? Are you not afraid of Nana Bonsu?
Advance, sit down. Ajadu, I want you to hear me well. If what I'm hearing in the village is true, know that I will change my mind about you.
Edu. Edu.
Is it true? Is it true that you attacked the princess?
Openikufo. It is a war for Sinti, and now Pesem Rana and Penfo Ashe Okuman. Yes, son. Yes, son and Marano. One Casachre. One Casachre. Obia Witty Kuman, ma would do a more day at their bradish, and for so be any son. One Casachre. aso twekwe fata ne efe man
sebe so wasem mi di tudwa fatu dwa ne nya kwanso ye nya daji okufo ne wo fa ase no asem no asem bi a wo ka kira bofo
mahu obaifo kwa yi a okokosie baifo na noma o muntakra pa no ene tubo no pani obetra fie member frawe nanka no yedu ananka wefo a no ka hu bi eye kufo na no fa ase no na no fa ase akwa ka ba when yebusa
no nyadwe sebe me no nyadwe dua bododo dua bo me no nyadwe
na wadaroma dwa to no anam wo mu wadaroma fo ni tume se ka se di abofra e kira ye be siensi akode wa ye no ho abusuafo eno wabetu emu da se bre fo ni tumani wadaroma pejoti mu
Kufo, I have heard your plea, but punishment has to be applied.
Amwan mu biase a wo de agu wo fa wan ka sami ho ade kura hawo
kwasampa ni ofia kwasampa fo busuam sarfia kwa
yeah sebe kasa yi o wo kasa yi pa
sarfia kwa eche ni sempani fo hia onu abusuafo bete ho asem
Odane ntiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odane ntiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odane ntiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odane ntiasia nana moda beba medabeni odebro ntiasia rechenwo Odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia nana moda beba baby odebro tiasia rechenwo Odane tiasia nana moda beba baby odebro tiasia rechenwo
Offer, since he started moving with Komusio, Ajadu has changed. I hear he is now smoking.
Hey, Siama, where did you hear that from?
Afrakuma told me she met them smoking.
Then that must be the reason why they attacked her. Oh, Ajadu. Aduma, your son has disgraced me. He gives the bed opportunity to humiliate me.
Offer, don't plead for him. If you plead for him, he will never learn.
This time, he will face the law. And I hope he learns a lesson.
Puku, won't you offer me a seat?
Can't you see I'm busy?
Can I help you?
No, thank you. I don't need your help.
Puku, don't treat me this way. You know I love you.
You what?
I love you, Puku.
I don't love you. And get away before my mother comes to meet you.
I want her to come and meet me here.
Huh. You are mad.
Puku, I'm mad for you. Can't you see?
Get lost.
Puku, I swear, you pay for this. My father is asking for the grass cutter you promised.
Your father? He likes me too. Tell him I'll bring it to him tomorrow.
That's the reason why he doesn't drive you away when you come to our house. My father gives nothing free.
What was he looking for?
This man. He has to look into everyone's business.
Don't mind him. But if he does again, I will slap him.
Oh. Let's continue our discussion. What did you say you give it to my father?
Nana. Sisi asema ha me pa ni se. Se de bia kwakwasa fujuma no a. Enipa no mo ma. Wo mo makura kakra bia ba na de bia wo mo ba. Eti amadwuma no enkoso. O madwuma no enkoso kura Nana.
Yes, Nana. The youth have refused to honor the call of duty. Womu buomo nyagusto. Afede womu muakra.
Ne mo kan me gitum. Ne bia na nam bibi nti. Na momo binim.
Nana minim. Ma ye hwehwemu ahunu se. Ko musuo. Opanyin se beba no. Ono na wo tu amanfo ofo bone. Wo bo manson se me madwuma. Ndi se wo bibi kapa na wadaroma. Ye ne agya se benka ne yie papa.
Kufo. Wo pani. Na okasa ya fa dwene to ho. Ya adwen kakra. Ye hia semputu dwuma ene ye ka ho asem. Ene de amadwuma ho asem enso aba. Na de na mekwa meba ko musuo din ena wobo e wasem emu. Wo pani udidi aya no nkwan. Why?
O sebe na oba no odwen so ye hwan. Oba ko musuo no o ye hwan. Da sebre. Ni ekufo ka no aye no kure. Mejitum papa because abofra no on so da ye kura sa ma beba bida no ma bi nso da
ko nyina me bisa kufu otu we enyo no ye chairman no no hesa adwuma we nyina so na da ben enu afre me ba no abono kwadu e wo mpanifo anim da na obi a ebone ne so mfre no e mo no kwadu a why da no agi ne fum so atum therefore me sem bisa osi den
Free so sebe, free so. Unim pefe se oba ne kwasa fudwuma. Onko obi da. Enso so abesia na wo ye to be. Na kura ye nya oden.
Sebe utie.
Nana metie.
Your son needs to change his ways. There are too many complaints about him. It's all no for pa.
Nana.
Sort ya say.
Martinana. Wadarum.
Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Yeah, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever.
Open your home.
Oh, good day, my daughter. What can I do for you?
Open your, I'm looking for Mommy Adoma.
Adoma. Adoma. Yeah, Adoma. She was here a few moments ago. Can I take any message for her?
No, I'll come back when the sun goes down.
All right. When do you come back? Now, what were you doing at that time of the night yesterday? Was the pa the man with you?
I was alone.
Don't lie. I saw you and a man, and it was the pa.
If you saw him, why do you ask me? In any case, who made you watchman over us?
Oh, Kwandu, I thought I could advise you as my own daughter.
Advice? If you have any advice, give it to your nephew, Jedu. I don't need your advice.
Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Madame Tiasiana, Madame Banga Baby, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo. Eh, whatever, Tiasiana Chewo.
Fakuma. We have to change this location.
Why are you afraid? I'm a princess.
You can do anything
to get away with this, but I have to be careful.
Majo. Mechiao.
Mejo also.
Standing in the dark.
Opoku, don't be a coward. Nothing will happen.
Afrakuma, I'm afraid. What we are doing is abominable.
If you are afraid, we can find a new place.
My daughter,
Yes, Papa.
you are now a woman initiated by the rights of this village. I thank the gods that you did not put my name to shame. Remember what your mother taught you. Remember to please your husband always.
Yes, Papa.
May the guiding lights of the gods be upon your way.
Thank you, Papa.
Ago. Open my home.
Open the ofia.
Open, I'm looking for cool.
Kawade tu ni koko. Ko yo obusuani. Ko musuonu, oyo obusuani. Sa na ofa, kwa sampani nu. Osifon man kwa sasam no oka. Say me de hie no, e na se wo. Ye betwa sew. Ye betwa sew. Ye ni hwan, e betwa sew wo. Ndesu. Adawudi mo be sifia biem. Wo be kwa do be fa so. Nonsense. Wa bodam papa. Ko musio. Woni ne he. Woda ho gyina ho. Ogyina kwede. Esuo to ena wante a. Aha, ede chi ye, e fom fo ye. Wahu. Fiar mo kwa. Kanipa na wagu kase. Nonsense. Wati kopo.
What is it? What is it?
Wafa, why won't you let people have their peace?
What's your problem?
What did you tell Openyi Sebe about Komusu? Everybody is talking about how you put your nose into their business.
How dare you talk to me like this? How dare you?
I will dare, Wafa. I'm tired of you.
Ajadu, I say come back!
Opoku.
Afrakuma, don't you feel we can get into trouble?
Opoku, I have told you not to worry about our relationship.
For how long can we keep our relationship quiet?
I have royal protection. Nobody can do anything.
You are talking about yourself. I'm talking about my life.
My royal protection extends to you. My father will not do anything stupid to hurt me in the name of tradition.
Your father. I don't trust him.
Don't forget I'm his only daughter. I know he will not do anything to hurt me.
Oh, Ajanyina.
Yeah, Kufa.
Oh, atu.
Yeah. Share.
Onia, we dey emo amiku mo wira mu no. Na ni ba ko sem de bre wo yi.
Akantie mu.
Ni nyina wo.
Wo de chame.
Me de chew.
Oh, Kufa nyame
Ba
shira.
ya kwa bi nom.
Nyame shira. Hwe ni muduro. Ye Kufa. We dey wo sasu ni pa me ni se o ko mu ha. Kaye nshira. Yo Kufa ni na me no bedi mpapa mu ha. Numene. Enu to mu ameba. Na ama beku.
Yo baba beto me.
Yo. Siama, bra. Unu anu ani hu ni mfa so no wo.
Papa, be na nsani, ofrifia no patutututututu. Obebe fia je sa anajo. A obepe bibia di.
So hu ni na dwentie. Enya wadwen so no na dwen. Wate. Kopim so wo fa. Wayi ni gidie nyina afi sa abafra no mu. Osisi a wo ne ba akofo a waka. A wo fa ni gidie nyina ahwo mu. Nti bo bra yi, wate de be ka kiro no. Yo. Buyade wate. Di mpanifo ni, why?
Papa me da ase.
Yo. Ya bu mpanifo why?
Yo.
Dapa. Hey, asokolofo. He, kwedu, siano. Oh, asokolofo. Akwaba.
Open Sibe, I would like to leave.
So soon?
I just want to go back to the farm for more foodstuffs.
Yo, Miss Hombre, no more qua. Nothing crack, I'm all for. Savage young.
Yo, Papa.
Oh, and you why? And you, Jabibia Manka, why? Kwedu, Kwaja quine. Yeah. It was this there. Was this there?
Hey, Ajadu, come back. Take this animal and sing it.
You will not take the food to that useless boy.
You are joking. You can never prevent me from cooking for him.
Hey! Come, monsieur, Kraya, come, monsieur. Wabium, come, monsieur. Anybody, Asem? Hey, my way.
She has gone to the riverside.
Wait, Asem.
Papa, Konadu has prepared food, and when I asked for mine, she says she's taking the food to the pa.
To the pa. One more question, first and send Didi. One more question, first and send Didi.
Papa, are you selling your respect for these foodstuffs that Pa brings to you?
Oh, just has some Akashemiano. Oh, so for so to say. Akakabin Sam, and it's a who, and I didn't chrome hanmo. Yenimu. Once and Papa and your chroma.
They say like father, like son.
Like a cocoa, like Kosia. What put down Papa? About just say, here what I do, what jetty, who fell blown up any beer. Minakasa and the chairman. Minakasa and the chairman. Mate.
What's the matter?
I don't want you to come close to my sister again.
Why?
If you dare, that will be your end.
This is just the beginning. Try us and see.
Look, there is nothing wrong with me. I just can't understand why you encourage Konedu to continue to have relationship with Dapa. People are talking about it. It's all over the village. What you are doing is wrong. It's against the law of this village. Hey, Sebe. Until I have to come for a creation now, say winter. What Swiss is an answer when you're fra. You like to come for a creation, I was a want it. Eh? Want it?
Me nabo. Me nabo.
Asem, I have removed Ajadu's name from becoming the next of kin. I have nobody in mind apart from you. So the Lord rests on you.
Ofa, I'm honored.
I will make it known at our next family meeting.
Thank you very much, Ofa, for having such confidence in me. I promise I will not disappoint you.
Ajadu has been a disgrace to the family. I don't know what to tell him again.
Aya, that woman, what man, your uncle's wife is a witch. If you want to become the continuing of such a crime, you must kill your uncle. When will he die for you to achieve your aim of getting Afrakuma? You are right, Ko. We must put a correct plan into action and finish that man and his wife once and for all. I'm beginning to feel his wife is manipulating him. I can't even understand his behavior nowadays. Yeah, the short man is coming, the short man. Ajadu!
Arana Musre. Arana Musre.
That's right of you. When will you grow tall? Ajadu!
Ago. Go Sebe. Minu.
Hey, Ejago.
Oh. Now what is it?
Me hunye. Adwedwe ahye me ma. Me da me na. Oh, nyame me ba ko musuo kro yai. Da biala de be chi biala. Ai se ye de ne ho asem. E be betu manim. E na ko musuo afedi sese kwa ya na ne din ene ne honam akwakose. Transe. Yo, hadi
abonia asem ni asem hia. Na omba no anti na menam.
Oma eden.
Sese me hu se wo ba ma no. Akwane a woni dapa enam so no enye. Na oba komusuo no de ene menim de aba ne tirimu kra.
Kufo, mame musu asem. Se me ba ene ko ni mu ba. E obibi ya e kan adwedwe ho. E kan wadwendwe ho. Wo de esumye ena anda so. Ana de edua ena wowe. Ana woni wu fi asem. Wonyi na etua wani ase. Ansa na wayi obi de. So he na semfo so afa ne ho asem fa kwato defo anim. Ne enfre no no mra meyina no. Me ni asem bia ka kirewo.
Na wa wonim se de oba no yo no. Oba ba no de wo yo no. E kwa na wonam so no. Etia o mayimra.
Me de minim, wona anim. So na anim a ko na fa ne ho asem fa kwato defo anim. Fi han mo kokokoko. Fi mi so ha ko fi akọ. Fi han mo ko na mani so tuteme. Wonyo ho ne esi wani esu na tu.
Me mfiri hango.
Fi akọ. Fi han mo ko. Fi akọ.
Hije mo no aka samba hije mo yo. Vivemo no account, vivemo yame, Asem Casiaba, a monkaye, Asem by vivemo yo. Vivemo no account, Samba, vivemo.
Manu,
vivemo. Asem Casiaba, a monk.
What is it?
It will be fear of you. What was that? Wasn't?
Ask her, is she not your daughter too?
On him.
For your information, she is 2 months pregnant. So be ready to face the consequences.
Dabi, Kredu, Minini, on him.
What did you expect? When you were receiving all those gifts? Excuse me.
What did I make a son? Say, come, monsieur, on your bodam for, and you shall have a new do at them. What bodam?
My men can make catch in Chilo once. No, I can't say me at him.
Mamma can have a catch them. Come and the honest son, Yanina. No, I ready. So about the Paul.
Sana, I'll catch me.
No, make a say.
Sana, I'll catch me.
Make a say.
Meduasi.
So I say, come, monsieur, my bonnet, Kushana Bonti. No, Kuno.
Casiaba, a monkaye, Asem by vivemo yo. Vivemo no account, Samba, vivemo yo.
I did have now.
So I took no more, my men can't show. So need my pebidi, and I saw yes and pebbing can't them in the Fiamoko. No more, you papa me babidi. Men make a show. Men make a show.
I won't check what bravo. Fin, oh, no, go to me. Oh, Cassette would do at Tenemeso.
Coina, Minacasa, which seven. Me fear no abano.
Me Poma, woman, I wouldn't have no man.
Naminiba, Kay, Miminiba, Abanomano, Miminiba,
Obana from a while.
Oh, no, come out of Banny.
Asem Casiaba, a monkaye, Asem by vivemo yo.
You see what you are going through? You see, when a child mourns like an adult, he must contribute to the funeral funds. Now, let me tell you one thing. What an adult can see while sitting can never be seen by a child, even if he climbs the tallest tree. Look at you. I hate children who don't listen to advice.
Now
that you are pregnant, what am I going to do?
Manu. My test is you obeying him now. Why and you know? Why? Why and you are from so?
Oh, my son, Kokamba. Koyina ya okanya wati na noto. Ofia po ko defo nchen. Na kwa kubona manie. So.
But this is simple. Just tell him to keep it a secret.
Koyina. Bonyina.
Amma, tell me, is it true that Communal is pregnant?
Yeah, that is what I've heard, but I don't know how true it is.
It is true. I overheard a penny owner telling my father everything. I heard it with my 2 ears.
Hey! So, who is responsible?
That one, they didn't say it, but they said they're going to deal with her.
Oh, Communal. May the gods have mercy on her.
Nanso, Koshibra,
oh, Jawase. Also, your bag, a bit me at all.
I am penninsome.
I am penninsome. So now, why sounds all back?
My son, what do you know about Konedu? Which of the Konedus?
Openye Sabe's daughter.
Nothing.
She's pregnant and she has named you as the one responsible.
Me?
Are you sure?
That is the truth. I know nothing about her pregnancy. I know nothing about her. I can swear the great oath of the stool. I'm innocent, man.
Odone na na moda bebam da beni o wode bro ti ase reche wo moda ni ti ase na na moda bebam da beni o wode bro ti ase reche wo aye wode bro ti ase reche wo moda ni ti ase na na moda bebam da beni
Opoku, haven't you seen me?
Afrakuma, my whole world has turned upside down.
Is it true that you have made Claudia pregnant?
Shut up, I'll give it to you to shoot. That is not possible. You know I can't see. Then shut up. Should we try? No. The man is a wizard. Let's go, Musu. We will think of something another time.
Kunadu. Me get to say we nimpefe say. Ye ngo bra ye nyinsan. Nti ye ne ubedi ne se ne mmra no eti pepepe.
Nana, me pacho. Se ka se yetwe naso. E wonyinsan wanyinsan ne ho dia no kro ni ayemfo so kakra. Onipa ono na tiwi ontu kwan yemusa no 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 anka senkyere baabi odi nyinsen no e di fidi bae
sebe ye ni AGYA di tietia nansesem abofre ni onyim anaso onyim enne ne emra kwan asisi aye gina so
nana ne pelefo ko yina nan kasa no ompemi bae Asem sebi abofre wote onyemu adati ne yetbi musa no no nan kasa nkyerechirem ne ehu baabi kura odi nyinsen no e di fidi bae nimfom so no
nana se opanyi sebe ase ne ba kwadu wo bibi ka misra wada me man kwa mo nkasa kwadu ka wasem
Nana ne mpanyimfo mepa mo cho oto me mona
mona why
Poku mami abrefi bei
wujitum wo wadanse
dasini di obi pa obi papa
we die ensuo ni saponi semnani dwame ehwe produce your evidence
nana me bai onti fa sem mfen to be bi so a woni dansini eni kufo hwe so bo a hwe
odaroma emse sebe woni bai wo mu di ehwo agro opoku ye nipa bia obu ade odi mraso ne ho soso dwo ontimi tumo na da
kufo eja se na peso kan
nana odaroma de mbasam chene se enye poku na ni akoda enyim minim ni one nenyim dapa pani ko ni mo ba no ono one nenyim de be ya me frɛ no mra
nana chame kan frɛ dapa bra sesia
Dapa, say nam na hia no be kan nan entam ya bosom say aso be kan todo na be kan no untwan kontom wi a utwan kontom a wani masodi a e ba so
se wan kan no kura so a be ko akofre konfo no aba no be hwehwe mu amaye ko pese be hunu mu no ko
Nana, I'll speak the truth I don't want to swear. I'm responsible for the pregnancy.
Oh, you are, Sebe? And a dahon. Who control number of Asema no Banadiano. And a Twadahon.
Sebe, for condoning with your daughter to lie before this council, you are to be punished. Dapa and your daughter are banished from this village henceforth. Nana, please.
You thought you were encouraging your daughter to enjoy, but rather you were causing her doom.
I hope you will learn from this.
There is no lesson to be learned from this, because he knew the outcome of what he was doing.
We can assemble. We can assemble. And you be a naive. Ninala, if you could fall in the queen. With Daumasi papa. With Daumasi. With Chiamusuka, no more than me. With Chiamusuka.
Leave them alone. I was here when Opening Kufuor came to warn you about Kunedu. But you were behaving like an ostrich. And now, our only daughter is gone.
Manu, it's in your moye no. O form so. Would you machi? Wa me yere no no. Would you machi? Kufuor. Woni ko nyina. Me chiro mo pa, me chiro mo amomo bosumi kura. Ye dua so bru. Me me ba kwadu pa ya yi na fi krum hanom ya pam na fi hanom mi hu kwadu biem ya pesi egumani mase ni eseme ei mi ana maye mi an fonso yi na fi mi a na kakufo ba yo beka emre hu asan kire mi se en semre kese kitiawa me semre me di mani abom hu safo hene ma mpene so pese nemra na di atia no ei emre ni nkaso na we enyo bia na yibibi nyo bia na yibibi kufu kuro ya oni onyina ena afa kwan so pese menimu guase na me fele o kuro mu ase na bi obie mu me namane yesi miniba minimu kwa me don befa so minimu kwan a me don befa so memo o mahu nipa kura memeye e okuru ma
Abrefi, I want you to stop your son from seeing my daughter Frakuma. I will not deal kindly with him should anything happen. And I must tell you that I am very much aware of what is going on.
Nana, I beg you, don't get angry. I shall talk to him about it. Please. Yes, Nana.
Sebe? Bani sebe o?
Kufuor.
Mahai.
Yani ade na menyama.
Aja sebe wo de enama me kum wire mu no. Na kambe kakra bre na ide ayen kwa ma wo.
Hwe, Kufuor. Ma me ka sencho. Na ti ase. Me wa hoden am betwa konwuram. Akokum nam. Na me ne mabusuafo. Ni awie. Wati. Fanam ko. Fana fian moko.
Mfanto suna die woni wado anu kwa badadio. Wo kusia dio ku wa huna mani ampa wa huna mani bo.
Opoku. Monsieur. What can I do for you?
1 minute. Poku, I want you to leave Afrakuma alone. She tells me you've asked her not to agree to my proposal.
It's not true.
After all, if Afrakuma thinks she loves you, what control do I have over that? Is that what you are telling me? You are talking too much. Let your hand do the talking.
Jadu. Uji sani oni akwa sansani kwa sampeni ya ni huni mfaswei. Michire kwa musio. Muyo yeyi. So poku ya mfenya masuma matahu. Ani ya humabro ano mamo so sroni ya himfia. Ka wini mnyansa. Sasa mi yetwa bosua fikuremu. Mibusao.
Ofa, why are you always on my neck? If someone attacks me, I have to defend myself.
Ah.
Your character tells it all. That is why you don't deserve to be my next of kin. From today, know that Asem is my choice.
Odani tiasia nena moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo Odani tiasia nena moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo Odani tiasia nena moda beba medabeni odebro tiasia rechenwo
Opoku
Odani tiasia nena moda beba medabeni
Opoku Opoku
What is it?
I have an important issue to discuss with you. Don't you want to see me?
Afrakuma. Because of you, I was beaten by Ejedu and Komuso. Your father is threatening me. It's over between us.
Leave this place before someone sees you here.
Before I leave, I must tell you I'm carrying your child.
Poku. Opoku.
Obeni. Welcome.
Thank you.
Can I offer you a seat?
No, I'm okay. Where is your mother?
She's gone to see Mami Menu at her place.
Okay. Anyway, it's you I want to see. Opoku, it will be in your own interest to leave this village.
My mother has told you about Afrakumaya.
You see, Nana is becoming suspicious. And since your mother is a good friend, you've discussed everything. We've decided that you should leave this village and go and stay with your uncle at the next village. Our elders say the fowl sleeps early to avoid trouble.
Obeni, so when should I leave?
We've decided on tomorrow. But Opoku, do not tell anybody where you are going. Okay?
Opoku. Opoku. Opoku.
Afrakuma. Afrakuma. Come here. You are a princess. You are Nana Bonso's favorite daughter. I'm a poor and humble woman in this village. My son is my only real possession. Please, leave him alone. Come and pass.
Opoku. Afrakuma, are you following me?
Opoku, where are you going?
I'm leaving.
Where are you going to?
Anywhere. Anywhere I will find peace.
Opoku, I am pregnant. You can't leave me here.
Afrakuma, tell me it is not true. Your father will kill me if he finds out what we have done. I must leave quickly.
I must live with you. You know I can't stay here without you.
You can't go with me. We have to abort this for you to stay in this village.
No. I want to give you a child.
Afrakuma, please, if you love me, do it to save my life. Please.
Ago.
Amen. Good evening, Nana.
Good evening, Abrefi.
Good evening, Nana.
Have you seen Afrakuma?
No, Nana.
Where is Opoku, your son?
Nana, I sent him to Atonso this morning.
Did he go alone?
Yes, Nana. He left very early this morning.
Drink it. You will fall asleep, and by the time you wake up, the pregnancy would have been aborted. Drink it. Afrakuma. Afrakuma. Afrakuma! What am I going to do? What am I going to do? If everybody remains like this, everybody who would recognize that she was trying to abort a pregnancy. And I would be the first suspect.
Ajadu, come and prepare this meat. I want to distribute it. Eh? Hurry up. Ajadu why? Ajadu. Oni se na me eba prana. Kufo. Eh? Kufo. Kufo. Ara je sebe. Adai. Ede na me nyama.
Ede na onye mame. Boto na di fi enwura mu bae no. Ye hia wo ne boto ni nyina e wa hifie. Therefore hia wo.
Na boto de om de ye de wa hifie.
Ede na ye di boto no ye na obusa me. Abrafo, mo fa ni machi.
Sini wotire mu o ma ni
Adafo obo naneba. Otasio, yelo.
Nane, awo mewo ye ya nenso nya hweye ura pene wotire mu o. Pene wotire mu.
Therefore, no Asem kakra. Na ni nyina fa kufuo Asem yi ho. Nya fe ne ebebusebusem. Se ba ne sen ansa na kufuo ekwakodie mumu ya etisi. Nya fe ene ebebe transese eba bia hwehwemu. Ansa ne yabua sa Asem wi. Ehwemu bambiem. Onipa na ka so na oku na nabe. Ye hwe na petwemu nso a afrakwati ne hyemu. Asem na ka sa di ne ho adanse awie. Emra me masem bae no. Sa kufuo kro ya. Eno ye ne ho champion. Aye, emi atwa me bandasu. Na mpa me kire ne se. Ewiase abrabo etese asamando akwantuo. Asamando akwantuo so etese mra. Ebedi obi amako. Afa ne mra so se kufuo. Ofa asamando akwantuo no e de bono bu.
We are going to have a bumper harvest this season. Even though the rains are late, it has been consistent.
Oh, Penny. They say Afrakuma has been murdered.
Afrakuma? Which Afrakuma?
Nana Bunsu's daughter.
Hey, no. Where did you get this news from?
It is true. I heard it this morning when I was going to fetch water.
Who murdered her?
I don't know. They have not arrested anyone yet.
Nana, wadaru makwa edu ede abomi nyina me ne hofo.
Wunifo.
Sebe. Uji se die benti pa ne be makuma Afrakuma.
Eno na me pese o ka kire ye ne ahia hanum nyina. Na hwehwemu hwehwemu ahunu se. Eya Afrakuma. Eli opoku o manyo kofa no. Wo na ni mu bi.
Nana na ni mu bi. Na so me bo mo kokko no mantie.
Nana, onipa oti sei. edi agidie na esi anya onumu edi ani da so na esi anya onumu obi a onim oboneyefo obi a waye mumuye ati sei na so ahwe na so adwane kwade a na di agidie na esi anya wo mu therefore onyan obeyi yama obetu adie hwamo nana me semeka emro oba frakma all komponu oba no no afa yefunu poku kacha ye ne
Monfanto suna je woni wodo anu kurabeda woda fa wo rafa woni pa ho Monfanto suna je woni wodo anu kurabeda
Woman, why are you looking at us as if you haven't seen us before? Why do I look like your husband, the murderer?
You know your uncle is not a murderer. Maybe if you had exercised some patience before going to Nana, we would have traced the real murderer. But you were bent on disgracing my father, your own blood.
Then why is he in the king's custody? Woman, your husband is a murderer. Look, woman, I am now the new head of this family. Now that my uncle has embarked on a journey of no return.
Is that what you think? Well, I think you've forgotten. Ofa has made a Siama his next of kin.
Musho, let's leave this place.
Sebe, we are here to get your support. Please talk to Nana to have mercy on my father. I strongly believe he is innocent.
Mami Boatma, catch up, ma. Non tiasie. Send you be the commentary. No more boss yakwa and niti at the judge them. Ubin Kasa Buduashi. Kuman Mabosuman Kasa, and Hatita who saw body for a walk Ruman. SN a daddy. Obina smoke for some comunipa. Kufu, Obina Smano, some comunipa. And yet they met me again. I'm a Kufu. Many wine, I'm a quite deaf when him. I could patch us and the Kufu, Asem, your Frenchano. Meet me.
Sebe, me pacho. Asem we won, but more dear for one to Mukakra, Miss Rawara.
Manu, Manu so chilly me coco on Pemasem. Say, oh, Wamekwa. What men am a war, you're now whammy. What? And someone there cost to be Beno. Well, many wine. I'm a cop, meet me quite therefore.
Nana Aya were down for. But more dear to na qua in fear, no go nana in penny for.
Manu, Kamanutum. What a Kamanutum. And some my chum that Dano, Kumanania. And I'm handsome and some of me back. Credu, ye chenas, a free cruma. And you could folk croya. You could folk croya. Mina me go now, and go cassa me patch me patcho. And yet they met me, I can't ask him, man, can't ask him which let me be. Mofama.
Opinion Kufo. Nana, so far all investigations have been completed. What are your final words?
And I smell the atom soon. I'm no more. Mini hosu for.
Nana, Kufo your boom horn. And yet, dear, when you drink, so become no cribia, dear say. You can't open Ruchan, and as a son of a sort today. Therefore, so son can of cribia. Yea, and the idea. Yea, and I can't idea, and copim no become no cribia today.
Sabe, Niawa Carmino in your drink. Mommy and Callion was a penny for your seaway. Where a penny? I want him here.
Unina,
Nana.
if that is the only way to get the information that we want, I'm afraid torture would have to be applied.
How? Hello. Bruh. I mean, I just can't believe it. How?
What is the matter?
Well, I heard they've arrested the man who murdered Afrakuma.
Who is he?
They made mention of my own good friend's name, Opanyikufo. But I just can't believe it. Well, tomorrow I will send Opoko to go and find out the truth. Anyway, is my food ready?
Elders and people of the land, since we are all subject to the laws of the land and we have not changed the law, Opanyin Kufuor is sentenced to death by hanging.
ukum Afrakumano.
Yes, I killed her. I killed her. Benjamin Kufo is already dead. Oh! Ow! Oh no!
Nane, awo mewo ya nenso nya hweye ura pene wotirimu o. Pene wotirimu, amanye pene wotirimu, ensem nyina fi nyameso, amanye pene wotirimu o. Awo mewo ya nenso nya hweye ura pene wotirimu o. Pene wotirimu, amanye pene wotirimu, ensem nyina fi nyameso, amanye pene wotirimu.